We always love those coffee pods. They're so convenient in the morning, but you know, made them with a little more kick.
Yeah, but you still want the convenience of having just a quick little pod drink. Well, that's where Cask and Kettle comes in, because they take those wonderful drinks with a little bit of adult beverage included.
Yes.
And Lucinda's joining us today to give us some great fall recipes. And it's hard to use the word recipe because this is really super simple. Lucinda, thanks for being here.
Right, nice to be here. Yeah, the goal of today is to make this really easy for everyone. At home, shouldn't be crazy hard, shouldn't take weird equipment or ingredients. We're gonna make this super simple.
Yeah, and this has all the fall feels.
Yes, hopefully it does. So we have, as you mentioned, let's get this out of the way. In the pod, we have high proof spirits, concentrated coffee and natural flavors, or in this case, cider, no coffee.
Okay.
Just dry cider from Puck's down in Conklin, some vodka and some cinnamon.
Wow.
So think of this as a concentrate. This is your base. This allows you to riff and do whatever you need to do or want to do at home. So that is a starting point. Pumpkin spice latte.
Ooh.
I think I heard it's the 20th anniversary.
It is. I just read that this morning.
Yeah.
I'm like, PSL 20 years.
Exactly. So now we're just making it an adult 21 plus PSL.
There you go.
Yeah. So let me show you how easy this is to do at home. Microwaved, your version of dairy, non-dairy. I went with half almond milk, half and half.
Oh.
And you can, if you have patience, which I don't, you can simmer it on the stove to bring it up to temperature. I just put it in the microwave, boom, 55 seconds.
I feel that.
So here it is. Hopefully it's still hot. Then, if you have a cute little frother, you go for it. If you want to break out your mixer, go for it. I have a sort of a fancy Keurig at home that does the latte and foam. But you know what? I live in Sparta, Michigan. And you know, anything that can't just go in the dishwasher after I'm done or gets in between me and a drink. So this is my frother.
Elbow
right
grease.
There we go. See, it's not complicated.
Yeah,
right?
no.
Froth it, done. See, pretty. Then we're gonna pour it in a pretty mug.
Ooh, and what's in the bottom of that?
A little bit of ginger.
Little ginger.
Yeah,
okay.
a little ginger to kick it up a little bit. And then pour in whatever amount. And then you have our pumpkin spice latte, which has pumpkin spice seasonings, flavors in there, espresso, and vodka. Do you want to smell? I know, because it's not so
Oh man, that does smell like the fall right there.
right?
It really does. That smells so good.
Liquid fall in Michigan.
Oh my gosh.
We're just going to pump it in there like
So you're
that.
cheating and not even using the Keurig for this?
No.
Okay.
Because it's milk.
Yeah.
So latte, let's talk about latte really quickly. Latte is really dairy, non-dairy, and you're adding some espresso and coffee to it. You can also go the other way. If you want a pumpkin spice coffee, then pop the pod in the Keurig so that it's going to add water and then add creamer.
Okay.
So you can either go pumpkin spice coffee, or if you're going to go latte, then it's the cream side.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
But either way, it's super convenient because
Right?
it's all included in that little pod.
Exactly. Are you whip people or
Yes,
not whip
whip,
people?
all the
Okay.
way.
So that is it. And then we pour a little whip.
Perfect. All right, let's go to this one because we are running out of time.
Okay,
and we
I
want to make sure.
pre-made
Okay.
a martini. So here's what I've learned. I'm not a barista, not a bartender. I just run a small distillery. And all of our pods make great martinis, but there's so many varieties of martinis. And I was frankly, worried about trying to do this myself. It always looks so complicated. Bartenders are doing everything, but really 3 ingredients. So you have a shaker at home, or if you don't, I've been known to use a Yeti. Just take a Yeti,
yeah.
no big deal. Ice is
ice.
in here, done. Pour a pod in, done. A shot, use the pod as your shot glass.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Oh yeah.
Half a pod with Kahlua.
Okay.
A shot of some water. Now, the recipes we're providing are really just, think of them as suggestions.
Okay,
so
yeah, right. Get
you want
creative.
something stronger, like if you don't like the coffee flavor of Kahlua or coffee liqueur, go with Bailey's then.
Okay, yeah.
Something like
a little
that.
more creamy.
Yeah, so in here, this is the cream version, the one I pre-made. This one, no cream. This is water, right? And so you gotta shake. Do you wanna shake?
Yeah.
Do you know how to
Oh,
shake?
of course I
Do you
did.
know how to do it?
Okay.
Good.
All right,
Okay.
we have
There
to
you go.
pour it
So
out.
now this is traditional. This is more like what you would find if you went to a bar and ordered. And the more you shake, the more foam. So see how dark it is? See the difference?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
So
gorgeous.
this one is the water
Yeah.
version recipe. This is, I used half and half version. Otherwise, everything else was the same.
And you do a little of that?
Yep. Little bit
There
of
you
yum
go.
on top, little
All right.
nutmeg. Done.
So you have these recipes for us, so we're going to put
Yes.
those on our website.
Yes.
So
Yes.
they want to learn more
Yes.
about the pods, about the recipes, they can head to our website. Listen, thank you so much.
you.
Cheers to fall. There you go. That's all the time we have. Thanks so
Cheers.
much for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow.